A car is freedom of movement in any road conditions. But nobody is insured from accidents on the road. Reliable underbody protection will help you to cope with any road obstacles. The use of approved underbody protection will help you to prevent your car from any unusual road conditions. Underbody protection will protect vehicle parts from damage and expensive repairs. Obstacles on the road appear unexpectedly. You can get into an unexpected situation both in the city and the countryside. What advantages do you gain from using approved underbody protection? Only approved underbody protection can provide reliable protection of a Toyota vehicle's valued parts. Underbody protection is designed in cooperation with Toyota's engineers, taking all the special features of your vehicle into consideration. During the manufacturing process, underbody protections are tested according to Toyota quality and safety requirements. Quality Management System meets the requirements of ISO TS 16949 and ISO 9001. You can buy approved underbody protection at official dealers. How do we produce underbody protections? 3D scanning during the design process allows for taking the individual features of every vehicle into consideration. As a result, we get a product that perfectly follows the geometry of a vehicle's parts. Pattern cutting is made through the use of precise laser equipment. Then the underbody protection undergoes stamping. Only deep stamping can provide required rigidity of structure. Before painting, all products pass through 5 stages of preliminary surface preparation. Next, the underbody protection is covered with a high-quality powder coating. These measures provide the highest resistance to corrosion. The finished product is marked, packed, and dispatched to the customer. This is how we produce approved underbody protection for Toyota. Approved underbody protections have been developed for all models of cars in the Toyota model range. Approved underbody protections can be purchased at Toyota dealers. Approved underbody protections will save your car from any obstacles on the road.